What if we're supposed to just beat him over here? Nope, nope, that is not what we're supposed to do. Alright, that was really gross.
Okay, I'm looking at the caution code.
The caution code. It got up and it walked away.
Oh, ew.
Welcome to the puzzle party. Madness needs a friend tonight.
Ew, that's gross.
Right?
That is gross.
So what do we do? Oh, you know what? We're bait. He's gonna go off the cliff, maybe.
Maybe.
I got sick!
Where did he go?
I don't know. Do we try it now?
No, I don't think so. I don't want to.
I feel like that's the only way to go, though. It is a bunny mask, Lala. I am the bunny.
I am the bunny.
He left his bike here.
Where did he go?
I don't know, but he left his bike. Oh, your crowbar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you gotta click it first, I guess.
This other guy's so helpful.
Yeah, he just stands there and gets kidnapped. So what is this game about? I don't know.
Oh, okay.
There's flesh snakes. That's all I know.
Panda?
Yeah, the panda. She's probably done with anime night.
I don't like this.
Hold on, I was taking a drink, I'm sorry.
You're good. I'm contemplating why we're doing this.
Hey, you said, I really want to play this game with you, it'll be really cool. And I was like, okay!
You're so easy.
I'm easy
Hey,
to
look, our
convince. It's gonna touch you back.
Let me have it.
Oh, I guess I have to help you touch it.
Yeah, you gotta help me touch it.
I don't want
You.
to.
Oh, we gotta fill it up. Oh, that's fun. At least there's still gas at this very dilapidated gas station.
The flesh is coming! We're gonna have to run! I don't know where we're running!
Where are we supposed to run to?
The fucker left us!
Ew! Ew! It came out of the tummy! Ew! Oh god, not that way!
This way!
That's a dead end! Oh my god, it's gonna get you! It's gonna get you! That wasn't cool. I did not like that. Oh, they're still chasing us. How are we supposed to put gas in the fucking car with these things chasing us?
Yes.
Go get it started.
I'm already in.
Go, kid, go.
Come on. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go.
Oh god.
Oh, I have to actually steer? Oh, fuck! Me! That's a terrible idea! I can't see shit! Oh my god, I can't see anything. Oh my god. Oh, I lagged really hard! Oh my god. I promise I am not a child in a trench coat trying to steer this thing.
We kinda are.
Yeah, you've got the gas pedal, and I'm over here just trying not to fucking hit everything. Run your bitch ass over. Fucking die, bitch. That did not kill him.
That
didn't kill him. That didn't kill him.
No.
I'm driving without looking. I don't know because I'm
What am I supposed to do? I don't like this.
No, put him down!
I'm out.
I think I was supposed to not hit him, but I really wanted to run him over because he's a bitch.
No, I think you were supposed to hit him. I just think we're supposed to duck.
Oh. Is that all we're supposed to do?
I don't know. Maybe pry his fingers off?
Oh, what? There's a...
Jump. he's coming in.
Oh,
we got
I
you.
tried to stab him and I missed.
All right. There's got to be something we're supposed to do, but
No,
I don't know what to do.
So I grabbed a knife. So I have to stab him or cut his hands off. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Law
You grab
said
the knife
smash
and
his
do the thing.
fingers.
All right. Square. Use square. I think. Yes. Yes.
Got it.
All right. Square. 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 Square.
Well, you're doing work. I am doing nothing.
No, I'll let you get the next one. I want to see him stabbed. Stab him. Stab him. There you go. Yeah.
Get stabbed, you little bitch.
Stab the bitch. Yeah.
I got a little too antsy. Almost got.
Oh god. No, 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 no. Get down.
Yeah.
Get down, motherfucker. Go away. Oh my god. In the face.
So let me just stab this wall that has nothing to do with what I'm supposed to be doing.
It's not letting us do anything. Do we need to get up and push him out?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Our plan stopped working.
I think we broke it. I think we were too aggressive with our stabbings. Watch it just stick in the same spot, too.
Well, if it does, then we know it wasn't our fault. It was something we're doing. Yeah. Get him. This part's satisfying.
It is, because I fucking hate him. He made a noise.
Yes, he did. Get down! Okay.
He was supposed to fall out. Okay. It was just broken. Got it. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no!
Well, this might hurt.
Whee! Bye!
It was broken. The game bugged out because we were too aggressive with our beating.
Okay, hopefully that's enough of
sheep.
that guy. That is a sheep.
I saw the sheep in the trailer. I don't like the sheep. No, is it? Nope. Apparently I swallowed some sand.
Oh, friend's okay. Okay. All right.
Our friend who totally ditched us when we were in the parking lot. Escaped the sniffer?
Sniffer. That's gross.
That is awful, and I fucking hate it. I have a knife now. See?
Yay!
I do the stabbing.
I do the smashing. Oh, do we get to get it back in the boat? Oh, wait.
Oh, yay. I love going in boats.
What's over here?
Can we go there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, joy.
Oh, joy.
Thank you for the lyrics, Sally. I was watching you earlier. Our friend's just going to sit at the bottom of the stairs. Yeah. You're really not a great friend.
That brings me comfort, though, because it means that wherever we're going is just for finding stuff.
Yeah. You're the useful one with the crowbar, and I just stab shit. That sounds very accurate.
Hey, that's good, though. We need a stabby thing.
Yeah, with those kind of sheep running around, you never know when you're gonna need to fucking defend yourself.
Right? Where are we going?
There's a door here? Yep.
Oh.
I'm gonna just make it very clear that I hate any time we go into one of these doors.
Right?
Because you never know what's gonna be on the other side, which, you know.
Oh.
is kind of neat. It's very.
Oh.
Uh,
I thought I was gonna have to give up somewhere. Yeah.
I like the aspect that you never know what's on the other side of the door, but I also hate it at the same time.
Oh,
because it
we have to
fucks
open
with
the
my
dam.
anxiety. Right there, the thing right there. Our friend is
Yeah.
down there. Why can't I move?
Because you're stuck.
I was stuck inside the wall.
Alright.
Would you like some help with that, sir?
Yes.
Which way are we pushing or pulling? I was pulling, so push.
I'm pushing.
Alright.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Wait, did you need to be on that first?
Oh. You know what?
Well, I just realized it looked an awful lot like a path.
Yeah, there's a lever over there. Yeah.
I can't push.
Oh.
Without you, I'm too weak. I'm a wimp.
Oh, come on, you're so strong.
Apparently, I'm not.
Alright, right there, because it looks like I won't be able to make it if we do it all the way.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Whoa. That was a little close for my comfort.
That was. Oh, can you...
Yeah, hold on. Let go. Jeez.
Let go.
Ah! I did not make it. I don't think I even needed to go over there. I just thought I assumed I
Well, there was
had
a door, but I don't know if it would open or not. Oh, hey, we're both here.
Oh, well, that's
How
fine.
nice.
It had mercy.
Yep, okay.
Oh, we have to go back anyway, so it didn't have mercy, I guess. I'm sorry, did you just glitch across?
Nope.
We just opened it the rest of the way?
Yep. Nope, the other way.
Oh.
Alright.
Is that open?
Yeah, that's good.
I'm sure we didn't just totally release something horrible upon the world.
Right?
We have to take the ship through or the boat through that, don't we?
Yep, we sure do.
1, 2, 3, not me. You get to drive.
I guess I'll get to drive.
I drove the ice cream truck. It's your turn. Oh, let me just accidentally run in the water because I'm not paying attention.
Shove!
Yay, I get to be the light bearer again.
Okay. Okay, this is fun.
Yeah, totally not terrifying at all.
Gotta remind myself that we're having a good time, right?
Yep. Oh,
ooh, what is that?
There's a very big mine.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, so I guess go to the... Why did it move so left?
Do we want to, like, see if there's anything up there? No, probably not. Huh?
I don't think we can get out. There's a mine right on your right side. And there's a mine on the left. There's a mine right there. There's one straight ahead. Straight ahead. Okay. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh
my God, it gets darker.
It's getting harder to... left. Fuck me, man. They did that on purpose. Left.
No consequences, right? You're welcome.
You're like, no consequences, remember? You said no consequences.
Oh my God,
I feel like going right.
Screen around.
Am I?
Yeah. I can't see. Okay.
Right there. Maybe not right here? Maybe not. I don't know where we need to go. Oh, that looks like a beach.
Kind of.
This is where we started.
Is it?
Yeah, because that's the car right there. Wait, no, it's not. I'm so confused. This looks different. So we gotta go back that way.
How did that happen?
You went in a big circle.
Alright, so we need to go towards the middle?
We went left-ish, so I feel like we gotta go...
Ugh.
Oh. Okay, right that way.
Yeah, we went in a big circle to the right, so, like...
This feels right.
This feels like we've been here before.
Wait, was that a door? No. I guess go straight that way?
Okay.
I don't like this.
There we go. Oh, God. Okay.
Oh, why did that make me jump? I knew you were gonna hit it.
You're welcome. Was not on purpose. Maybe we are supposed to go to the, like, middle rock.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Instructions unclear, dick stuck in toaster.
Oh, I see a light over there.
That way. Yeah, I was gonna say the light looks like the right way.
Okay, here we go.
Yay, we first try. We did it first try.
First try.
I like the music.
What? It's nice. It's so comforting and warm and inviting. Ooh, the water's making noises.
No. No. I love how both of our instinct was to stop at that light. We're like, nope.
Oh. Oh, he's in the water.
He went in the water. He went in the water. He went in the water.
Ew.
There was a hole in that wall. See it? I don't know if we're supposed to go in the hole in the wall.
I don't think so.
No, I think we were just supposed to go the way we were going. This is hell. This is where we're at. We are in hell. You can't convince me we... Oof.
Ew! Oh my god, no! No! They're all getting in the water!
Loxy, they're in the water. Loxy, they're in the water.
I know! I can see!
Loxy!
No!
Is it L2 to drive faster? Oh no! No, no, no. Fuck all that noise.
Okay.
Left. There's bodies. It didn't move though, right? You're not moving?
Oh, he's not moving.
I'm frozen. I can't see. Woo! Okay, I can see again. Okay, right there, I guess.
Yeah, ahead there's a mine. Yeah.
Ahead is a mine and a dead end.
There's a dead end. There's a body on it.
I think I might have to unplug my kitty cam because it's freaking out. I'm paying attention.
Mm-hmm. Ew. Yeah. I don't know what that was, but I don't like it. I think that was our way out closing on us.
Alright, give me a second. I think I gotta unplug kitty cam. Alright, we're just gonna take kitty cam away for a bit. Kitty cam is having a panic attack. Bruce isn't even there anyway. He went and ran away because he don't love me no more. It's okay, I got Loxy. I should have just put Loxy in the kitty cam thing.
That's funny.
I'm gonna make a new thing that's gonna be just your face in a little TV. You're gonna be... Instead of kitty cam, we'll have unicorn cam.
That'd be fun.
Okay, resume.
Okay.
I don't know where we're going. Poster. Can we see that stuff?
I didn't see anything.
Yeah, I
Might
didn't
be
see
in
anything
there.
either. I just saw the masks one, not anything for the artwork we're picking up, and it didn't give us like a inventory or anything. Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Yeet.
Yeet.
This feels
Yeet.
like a trap.
Skirt.
I got you.
Yay! You're so strong. Hey, what's our friend doing? Is he not coming with us?
I guess he's staying on the beach like a wuss.
Okay.
He keeps ditching us. He's not a very good friend.
Just making us do
How
all the
do
hard
we
work.
know where we're going?
I don't know. Oh. Is he frozen? That's lovely.
Here, let me just pick up spears, because there's no possible way that could go bad. This was the only reason we came in here.
Okay. Just randomly need some pikes.
I guess we're... please tell me we're not about to use these. We're going to be going fishing!
Oh, no.
There was a less painful way for me to get down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think you're right. I don't want to admit it, but I think you're right.
That's... I hate it.
I hate it too.
Hey, you wanna help, friend? Or are you just gonna watch us do all the work? L1 or square to equip harpoon. Oh no.
You gotta blow up the mines.
Oh shit, I just wasted one. I don't know if there's a count, but I wasted one.
Get! Yes! Good job.
Gross.
Right, we're gonna go blow up that one by the door. Oh god. Oh god! Oh god!
I didn't see that one! I didn't see him! He just kind of came out of nowhere. I didn't see him. I saw the other one. I saw the other one.
Yep. Alright, so
I harpooned the other one. Okay, so we can't go super fast.
Everything gets harpooned.
Got it. We can't go super fast. Okay. This one's already blowed up. You're just gonna not die. Oh, I hear
That one's already dead, it looks like.
I hear bubbles.
Alright, get that one on the car.
I can't. It doesn't have a thing for it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Only certain ones. We stop. This was where that one came out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where he even came from.
He came from the left of us, but he came right out of the water at us. Ah, good job.
Not this time, bitch. Why can't I hit that one? You have to be really close to that, and I don't like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like the music change. That seems ominous.
It is ominous. Ominous.
Can the camera keep up to where we are, please?
No, because we need dramatic effect.
I don't like it.
Oh, nice.
As soon as that circle lights up, I yeet.
Yeet. Was that another kid?
I think. I don't know. I just threw a harpoon because I saw something move. It doesn't actually let me aim. It just, if there's a circle, I throw. And it goes for whatever the circle is lit up. Bad touch.
Oh god! Get it!
Go, go, go.
Oh, God. Ugh. Ugh. Get it! Get it! Get it!
It wouldn't let me throw it! It wouldn't let me throw it! No! It just
Oh,
fucking ripped
no.
me in half.
It did.
That was nasty.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. It wouldn't let me throw it. I got scared.
You got scared.
Okay, okay, we got this, we got this, we got this. Oh wait, hold on. They're not automatically equipped.
Oh. Alright, get ready.
I'm ready.
Motherfucker!
I have to be careful not to just throw willy-nilly because it takes a second to reload. That was my problem. That's why I couldn't get him.
There you go. Alright, motherfucker. Oh, ew. They're like giant babies.
Really gross giant babies.
Yes.
I want you to know that I subconsciously started leaning into my screen.
Yeah,
I'm like
me too.
2 inches from my screen. Oh no, there's too many!
Ah!
It won't let me aim at him, so he must not be a threat.
Oh God. Oh fuck.
Hey, there's a wall there.
Yeah. I'm like, I'm done. We're getting out of here.
I'm ready to go. We can go now. I don't know what I said, but Az said that's what she said, so it must have been funny. Something's jumping into the water?
Oh, it's gonna jump onto us.
It's a friend!
Oh
No!
no!
No! What the fuck?
Is that? It's a
What the
goddamn
fuck?
seagull! Or the pelican thingy.
Yeah, it was like a demon pelican.
No, bring our friend back!
Our friend! Give him back, you fucker!
Fuck.
Are you in control anymore? It's just taking you out. What is that?
No, it kind of steered me that way. Ooh.
I don't think a harpoon is gonna fix that.
I don't know which way to go. Do we follow the gross thing or the other gross thing?
The one with the child, I would assume, would be the good way to go. I don't know. All of this seems awful. There's a buoy that way. What's that? I feel like we chose wisely. He just tore me in half. That's what she had said. Az. That's terrible. Alright, Loxy, take a drink. I know you were screaming. My throat is so sore from screaming and yelling.
Alright.
I now have a knife and I have harpoons. I am the stabby lady. Hear me roar. Okay, guess we're not going that way. Or our first instinct was that we were going to lift each other up.
Yep.
Equip your weapon. There's a reason for that it just told me to equip my weapon. Oh, because those things bite. Okay.
Oh, okay. Screw you guys.
Fucking dumb birds.
Who built these ladders?
Probably children, since that's all that is alive that isn't a monster.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like this. My fear of heights is getting very, If you hit the run thing, you climb the ladder faster.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's a trap.
It is a trap, but it's pretty. What are we hiding from in this?
I don't know. I don't like it.
The birds are going to give away our location. So watch out for birds.
I'm invisible. I really don't fucking like the music.
Oh, this is wonderful. We're going to a barn. Barns are always the best place to be.
Yep. Maybe you should have kept the pig head on. You're like, okay. Maybe they'll let you live because they'll think you're a pig.
Or they'll kill me because they think I'm a pig.
Okay, well, stabbing that did nothing.
Let me just wrench this back. Oh, piggy hole.
Piggies.
Hey, look, piggies.
And rats? What am I looking for here?
I don't know.
There's a dead pig being eaten by a rat.
That's lovely. Oh, look, there's a hole. Oh, no, not a hole.
There's a hole over here.
Hey, look, there's a hole over here.
Oh, I fucking thought I was the other kid for a second. This seems like a trap.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Locked?
It's locked. Oh, something fell over. Let's go back and investigate.
I fucking guess we will.
You fucking nasty ass birds.
I'll shank you.
Yay, a key.
I'm just over here like, I'll shank you. Death to the seagulls. I've seen what happens when we let the birds live on this game.
Yeah. Oh.
No, I really didn't want to be here anyway.
Dude, look at all that pig shit.
Yeah, and the rats?
Entrails?
Gross.
Oh,
what's that?
That's fucking lovely.
It's a sheep thingy.
Okay.
Oh, did you just light that?
I did.
Why?
I don't know.
Are we gonna get eaten
praying
by
to
the sheep god now? Blood for the sheep god. If I walk in there, are they gonna bite me?
Probably. Oh.
Push!
There you go.
Push on the booty!
Move!
Oh, I guess we're just abusing pigs now.
Hey, at least they're not trying to eat us. I'll take it.
Oh, this is fucking nasty and I didn't want to be in it. Loxy.
Yeah? Oh. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. I didn't see it. I'm not looking at it. That's gross. There's a door over here. Can we open said door?
You see the giant thing, right?
I did. I'm trying not to acknowledge it.
If we don't look at it, it can't see us. Where's our friend?
Oh, he got left. Well,
that's fine. He's ditched us so many times. Fuck those birds.
Fuck those birds.
Alright. Oh, I don't like how that crunched.
Ooh, there's a poster.
I was gonna say, I saw something blowing in the wind over there. Nice. Finding all the posters. I want to know how many masks we missed, because it seems like there's a lot of them.
Oh, we're going to the lighthouse.
Are there creepy sheep in the lighthouse? This again, not my favorite thing. The heights, not great.
Well, let's just keep going up then, shall we?
No, I don't wanna. Up means that we gotta go down eventually.
Hopefully it's the same way we came.
Maybe, or maybe a giant sheep god is gonna murder us.
Oh, fun.
What is that? That looks like a thing.
A kid.
Oh, you're in a...
This is where the pelican brought him.
Let me just use my knife. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a great idea and isn't gonna...
Oh, shit!
Oh, I knew it was that! I knew that was a thing! I knew it was a thing! I knew... I told you!
Oh,
What did I say?
Oh,
I said if we go up, we're gonna have to go down, and I don't wanna.
Oh my god! Okay, that was...
Run away, run away,
oh
run
my
away,
god.
run away, run away!
I thought we were done!
Fucking birds everywhere! Have I ever told you I'm really scared of birds?
Yeah, I don't really like birds either.
I have a new fear of birds. Apparently, they don't like bridges very much.
Oh, he just fell. But he's gonna come back.
Yep, yep. He's telling the sheep god where we are.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, there's many!
Kamikaze birds! Oh my god, no! Ooh, that's a big pig.
Hi, giant pig.
He's blocking our way! Yay! Run with
Run with the pig! Stampede! Those poor pigs!
We're just burning them all.
Barbecue. Those poor pigs.
Oh my god.
They were just innocently sitting there grazing, and we just fucking brought a giant pelican monster in and murdered them all. Save your friend from the bird. Apparently that was not a requirement, that we did not actually have to save him.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad we did, though. I feel an achievement for that.
Okay, good night, baby. Sweet dreams.
Let's just wait for the bus now. I think it's time for a nap.
Okay. The bus still running at this hour?
Is this actually part of the game? Oh!
Yeah.
I just wanted to sit for a second, but I guess it's actually part of it.
Uh-oh. What's happening with you?
Am I gonna turn into a monster?
Huh?
Uh-oh, I'm turning into a monster.
Oh, that's fucking great.
No, I'm the sheep!
Oh.
Am I the sheep?
I don't know.
Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. But I thought I was a bunny. I hate all of that noise.
Yeah. No, that was not cool.
What is going on?
I don't know, but here's the bus.
Yay, we're gonna go to school, guys!
Who's driving the bus?
Me.
Oh, it's a ghost.
A ghost.
That's
okay.
Fucking great.
I guess we just pick a spot and sit. Aw, your hubby says he loves you.
Yes, he does.
Your pig head is freaking the fuck out. really eerie.
Yep.
I don't want to get off the bus. The bus is safe.
It is safe. Even with the spirit driver.
This doesn't look like school.
I mean, kinda. An older school.
Like demon school.
Mm-hmm. Like demon school.
Why did they sit on the bed?
I guess they're just gonna wait here while we do all the work again.
While we go into the creepy school and deal with all of the spooky shit? Yeah, that seems fair.
Spooky cool.
Yeah, no, fuck that.
Oh my god.
I hated that.
Alright, alright.
I was waiting for it to jump scare you.
Yeah, I did not want it to.
Hey friend, you mind fucking helping? We only saved your lives.
Right?
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Ow. I thought it was gonna make me go up here alone. I don't like how that bowed underneath us.
Ow. Apparently you can hit me. Okay.
I can only push it up, I can't push it down.
Oh.
I don't know what that did.
Now come over here to me.
Oh, you're gonna shove me in a hole. Got it.
I am.
That's broken glass that I just climbed on. I'm sure that's a great idea.
Mm-hmm.
We're doing all kinds of naughty things tonight.
Oop. Okay. I guess that's the way to go. What in the world?
I don't want it. Oh. Wow, we're monsters. Those were children.
Not anymore, they're not. Oh, brick?
See if it'll let you open that door with your crowbar.
Yes. Yes, it does.
I feel like if we didn't break these, they would come to kill us.
Probably. Look at you go. You're so strong.
I went the wrong way, though.
I can't help you.
Let go of it! Dumbass. Let me go.
Oh. The fuck? Is he kicking a snake? Or is that a person?
I think it's books. I can't.
Okay.
It might be a person.
Ah! I was exposed!
We can stab them, right?
We'll find it
Stab
out.
them, motherfuckers!
Okay! We can fight back!
He's on me! Get
oh
off!
My God!
Get off! He rode me! That was fucking
He
not
did.
okay.
That was fucking funny. I like being able to fight back.
I do. I very much like being able.
Okay,
it feels less like I'm out
also
of control.
hole over here, too. I'm coming. We'll go through your hole first.
That's what she said.
Let's go back to my hole.
You know what? I like the other hole. Oh, it won't let us. God damn it.
Oh, there's a king.
A king of stabby stabs. Oh. Behind you. Oh, there's so many.
We got it. We can do it.
We are the king.
Yes, we are.
There's one more.
The king ran away like a little bitch.
He had a sword, though. I don't think I can get the sword. There's another one in the back over there. He's like stuck on the... I don't think that one's a real one.
Oh, okay. Another piggy?
Why does it want us to kill the piggies? Oh!
No!
Did you see the giant grabby hands?
Oh, they've got a friend. They pulled a friend away.
We need a key.
Ooh. Ew. That wasn't cool.
Woo!
Okay. Like fucking roaches. They don't like the light, so that's good to know. Ooh, a poster.
Poster. Behind you.
Is that a peeky hole, or just like a stick figure drawn on the wall? Oh, okay.
Oh, I was supposed to go here. I thought for a second I wasn't.
They trixied us!
I thought it was a friend.
Yeah.
Up! They try to harpoon us.
No, I wanted the harpoon.
Oh, will it let us go back? Nope.
No.
I didn't know we could get the harpoon. That was probably helpful.
Maybe. Oh. Potatoes?
Can you grab the potato?
That's not a potato. Is it?
It's a fucking mask. I'm a potato. I'm a potato.
I'm a potato.
It has jiggle physics. Ow. If you wiggle, you fall. Do it. Do it. We've been playing this game for 2.5 hours, and we just figured that out. Woo! I almost did not make that.
Same. Oh.
Oh, no. It's a little fucked up. I just stabbed him while he was taking a nap.
Yeah, well, he was gonna get up and eat us anyway. It's so dark. Motherfuckers.
That one's alive.
I think we were probably supposed to be able to sneak through this area. Ah!
Maybe.
I got got.
No! Shit!
Yeah, I got.
I feel like you're right. I think we were supposed to sneak, but we're fucking assholes and we're just stabbing everything. With our pig and potato head. We're ham and bacon, or we're bacon and potatoes.
Got some bacon and hash browns?
Have you ever had ham and cheese potatoes? So good.